Okay, Nuraisha, tell me about yourself.
Okay, Miss. Thanks for the nice question. My name is Nur Aisyah. I'm graduate from Polytechnic Negeri Ujung Pandang with a bachelor degree in accounting. I have experience work for 4 months as accounting staff in PT Haji Kala Makassar area. I am proficient in completing cycle work and all transaction relate the finance. I also serve as a secretary in a student organization when I was in college. So I have experience in handling correspondence. In this company, I am registered as an admin staff position. So I'm confident with my experience and ability in accounting and operate Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Office well. I believe my criteria is very suitable for what your company wants.
Okay, the next question. What are your career goals?
Okay, my career goals is that before I am 35 years old, I have to become a CEO in a big company. That's why I applied for the job in this company as admin staff position because I think this is the first step that can help me to achieve my goals. In addition, I'm graduate from college. I took several courses such as computer course and English course, which were able to train and improve my skill. Why I took English course because I know in this world when English skill are need in many jobs, and the reason I took computer course is to improve my skill on computer operation on and other application relate to my job.
Okay. Why do you want to work here?
I hear that the LKP Adi Computer and Course Company focus on computer course. I already have the ability to run computer application well, so that my ability can be very helpful in your company. And also because I like this job is quite challenging for me, which helped me to improve my development. I hope that with the ability and opportunity that I have to work hard, I can make a breakthrough in the field of administration that are beneficial for the company.
Okay, the next question is, do you know anyone work for you?
Previously, I didn't know anyone who worked in this company because I got this company vacancy information for the internet. But before I coming to this interview, I had time to find out information about this company and the interviewer. Therefore, I know your name is Mrs. Hijra Safitri, who works as human research or HRD in this company.
What have you done to improve your knowledge in the last year?
Okay, everyone should learn for their mistake. I always try to learn from my mistake. I consult my friend and my parents to find out my mistake. I sign up for a computer course to improve my skills. I also attend more seminar, especially on personal development and skill environment. I always try to improve my quality every year.
What irritates you about coworker?
I believe that that is it's very important to remain professional, especially in a work environment. The things that irritate me with my coworkers, if coworkers start gossiping during working hours, it will irritate me, and also if he doesn't finish the work given by me, and if there are coworkers who don't want to listen other people opinions and are selfish work.
What is more important to you, the money or the work?
I think money and work are equally important for survival. They are related, but I believe if I work hard, the money will flow to me. So without existence of one another, we can be achievable. I love my work. I love my work I do, especially if this job is really challenging, and doing it give me job satisfaction.
Okay, the next question. What quality do you look for in a boss?
I want a boss who treats his employee well and fairly, recognize me for efforts and the value of provide to the company. He has a proper quality to equip her employee. He has this decision taking tendency and can control his team or their member or team members. He has capacity to lead the team according the circumstance.
Okay, the last question. Do you prefer to work independently or on a team?
I am able to work in group or independently. However, I prefer to work in group because we can get more opinions in the decision making, and more people we can help get a job done. I had performed many projects in the past where I work with many team, and I believe my performance in the future will be very impressive.
Okay, do you have any question for me?
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Miss. My question is, if I am accept in this company, how will HR the expectation of me be related to the company culture?
Or no? I'm not, I don't can to answer your question because I'm not HRD.
Okay, Miss, but I have searched about you in internet, and I know you are HRD.
Because it
Okay,
is,
Miss.
yes.
Oke, di berputar Miki. Saya interviewer dan Hijrah Sapitri interviewee.
Enggak apa-apa Jenny, enggak di-cut.
Enggak apa-apa.
Okay.
Okay, Mrs. Hijrah, thanks for coming for the interview today. Okay, I have a question, any question for you? Some question. The first is, tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you for the change. My name is Hijrah Safitri. I'm 19 years old. And now I live in Makassar. I'm fresh graduate from Ujung Pandang State Polytechnic. In major is accounting. I have interest in accounting. For that, I applied to your company for the position of junior staff accounting. Previously, I have internship for 3 months in KPP Madya Makassar, such as staff service part. For 3 months internship, I have some experience to work in company, how everyone to work in company, and knowing about to provide service for the customer. I can also operate some computer software, well, such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and Mayo. I believe that my knowledge of operate some computer software would be great value for the position.
Okay, thanks for nice answer. The next question is, what are your career goals?
I want to keep learning new things, especially in this company. My hope is I can continue to learn things that are suitable for the position in the future, so I can further develop and make a positive contribution to this company. In the near future, I want to be a part in this company. After that, I will work hard and learning a lot of accounting in this company. After 3 years, I believe that I can occupy senior position of accounting staff.
Okay, thank you, Miss. The next question is, what do you want to work here? What do you know about our office?
This company is a good organization with perfect management, and I have heard that integrated finance and management solution is the best consulting and accounting and tax service company in Indonesia. Working in this company is a really good opportunity to me to develop my career and skills. This job is challenging for me who is a fresh graduate.
Okay, what are you looking for in a job?
I want to get experience in many of accounting. I want to a position where things are not routine and where many of my accounting skill are utilized.
Okay, thank you. The next question is, describe your work ethic.
My work ethic is strong. I believe in being at work on time and completing each task that assigned to me. I am a hard worker and it shows through my work. I am very determined and I attention to detail.
Okay, thank you. What irritates you about your co-works?
If coworker is lazy and relax during work hours and always procrastinate on work, even if he doesn't complete the work.
Okay, the next question is, what is the more important to you, the money or the work?
Money and work is like siblings. But I believe that when you hard work, money will flow to you. So work is more important than money. Only hard worker can help you put another feather in your success cup.
Okay. How do you propose to compensate for your lack of experience?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
How do you propose to compensate for your lack of experience?
I know that a lot of companies in this industry require years of experience. I'm very passionate about what I do. Everything is new to me. So I am that much more excited to learn everything.
Okay, thank you, Miss. The next question is, if you were hiring a person for this job, what will you look for?
I would love for someone who good communication, have knowledge and skill in field accounting, and responsibility to work in under pressure also.
Okay, the last question from me is, do you have any question for our office?
How to how in culture in this company?
Okay, thanks for your question. But maybe I will answer your question in the next meeting. Thanks for coming, Mrs. Hijrah. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.